Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Champaign County, northwestern Douglas County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bemis, or 7 miles south of Monticello, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pasodum around 7:45 p.m. Seymour around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Tolono, Bonville, Savoy, Philo, Champaign, and Urbana. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 216 and 248. Interstate 72 between mile markers 177 and 182. Interstate 74 between mile markers 176 and 188. A severe thunderstorm